If you've booked or are getting ready to book your first driving lesson, you're probably wondering what to expect. Are you actually going to be driving a car right from the very first lesson? Oh, that's mad. Don't they know you can't drive? Well, yes, they know, and they're going to make you drive anyway. Don't fear, you won't be pushed beyond what you're comfortable with. Most first driving lessons feature the same basic things, which we'll cover here. First things first, your instructor will check your license, so make sure you bring it with you. Once that's out of the way, you'll probably be driven to some quiet roads and asked to sit in the driver's seat. From here, you'll be taken through the cockpit drill. This covers the main instruments on the dashboard and all the equipment you will be using, including the rear view mirror, the gears, the accelerator, clutch and brake pedals, and the handbrake. The instructor will also talk about the blind spot, the areas to the sides of the car that can't be seen in your rear mirror or side mirrors. To check them, you'll have to physically turn your neck and look to the side and behind. These are important to know because it's unsafe to move off from a parked position without doing your checks. And you can guess what's coming next. That's right, engine on, car into gear, do your checks, and pull away. Basic skills to cover in your first lesson will be pulling away and stopping safely whilst using your signals, learning to change gears as you get up to speed, and also finding the biting point to help you get moving from first gear. You won't be thrown in at the deep end. Most likely you'll just drive some quiet streets to get the feel for controlling the car, but you may be surprised how much driving you can do. If you take to it well, you could rapidly be ready to drive all the way home. What's that? My first driving lesson? Oh, well, I should have asked. Nothing really happened on my first driving lesson. It's exactly how you'd expect. Really good, actually. Gave me a lot of confidence. But my driving instructor, who was a Marine or trained to be in the Marine, so he was very strict and regimented, which has sort of helped me learn better. Like, I didn't want to mess up. He was telling me one of the times where he was teaching someone their first lesson that they were driving past the golf range, wherever it was, and lo and behold, a golf ball smashes in the rear mirror. Dude's like, and he panics and he has to grab the wheel and use his own brakes and stuff. And it's just like this, the chances of someone smacking it that far and then hitting his window in his first driving lesson. And I'm trying to think of a golf pin. And it wasn't up to par. Talk about a swing and a hit. What's a good an eagle? Hole in one? A par, a club, golf club, what a driver. Oh, let's go. So the golf ball smashes in the back side mirror here. And I just thought, God, whoever swung that was probably, swung that golf ball was probably, I ruined the joke. God, whoever swung that golf ball was probably using a driver.